Here's a question for you. What advice would you give to a complete beginner to be successful on the internet? Well, Justin Atlan asked that question to a summit of Clickbank millionaires, and here's their response.
Hi, I'm Susan Bratton, and I am the trusted hot sex advisor to millions and the CEO of Personal Life Media. I've been with Clickbank for nearly a decade, and the one tip I give you if you're just getting into business is to put all your attention on a single funnel. Just build one funnel and keep refining it. Learn how to do split tests. Look for copy hooks and ideas. Use a lot of curiosity to get people engaged. And look at different pictures and illustrations for your page. Just keep working that seam. Just keep going for that one thing, and pretty soon you'll have something that really appeals to a wide audience and starts to make you money.
If I can give a piece of advice, it would be to start with a simple solution. And that's why I do like Clickbank. I started with no knowledge in the field whatsoever, and I was signed up half an hour later. So I didn't have to worry too much about the technical aspects of that part of the business. I could just get on with designing the site and trying to make some money.
I think the number one piece of advice would be not to give up. When you first start internet marketing, it can be frustrating. It's not always going to go awesome at first. I think you need to kind of practice, do a lot of things, but really just can't give up. I mean, I started out, and it took me a good 6 months to a year to really get some traction, but I think at the end of the day, if you don't quit, you work hard, you just get after it, you're going to be successful. So it always comes down to just not quitting.
There's a lot of things I would say to somebody that's just starting in internet marketing, but one of the things that would really advise someone who's just starting right now is to focus. Why? Because right now we live in a world that there's too many distractions. Right now you have a cell phone with a lot of social media applications. You want to know what's going on with your grandma, with your ex-partner or anything. Your phone, WhatsApp, you got text messages. So right now to focus in your business would be one of the best things that I would advise someone that's just starting into marketing.
My advice to someone just starting out is determination, believing in yourself, and consistency. When you're starting something new, it's hard to see it through to the end, and that takes a month or a year to find that determination can be trying, especially if you have naysayers in your life and maybe your significant other doesn't believe that you can do it. That's the key, is actually following through.
My number one piece of advice would be find a program, find an affiliate program that you're passionate about. Find an affiliate program that you can get behind, that you can recommend to your friends and family. Find an affiliate program that you 100% fully believe in, because if you don't believe in the product you're selling, you're not going to be able to sell it well. You're not going to be able to be successful. And a lot of people limit themselves. They start affiliate marketing and they promote products they don't fully endorse, but they do it because they believe they can make some money doing it. But what I've seen time after time, because I've been involved in this industry for quite a few years, and I've seen a lot of affiliates come and go, is that affiliates who promote products they don't fully believe in, some of them might make no money, some of them might make a lot of money, but they end up shifting and they end up pivoting away because they had too much success or they had too much failure, but they don't believe in the product. So you need to start with a product you can fully believe in.
So my number one piece of advice for someone starting with internet marketing is to partner up with someone more expert than you, or having someone that you don't personally have, or some add value you can find in someone else. So you can partner with him and create a product or something together, so you can joint venture your strength and then create something that is more valuable for your community, that you can have more a kind of exchange of expertise. So if you're new and you do not know something specifically about video marketing or social media, you have someone more expert than you.
Now, although the feedback from those millionaires and ultra high earners on Clickbank seems really simple and seems obvious, trust me, it's profound, and I want you to really pay attention to it. These are people that have made so much money on the internet. Most people can only dream of it.
Some great tips there, I think you'll agree. And if you didn't get it first time, play it back and have a listen to it more. If you'd like to see more of this video, there'll be a link. You can find it up here maybe, or down below the video, depends on where you're watching it, and you can get the whole video there. Okay, I'm Ed Kerwin, and I hope to see you in another video real soon. Bye bye now. Bye bye.